Today I'm going to be showing you all how to play Flappy Bird in 2021 on any Android device. Now all you need to do is you're just going to need to download an APK file, which is basically an Android app installation file, and I will also have a link down below provided for this. And all we're going to need to do today is download an APK file for Flappy Bird, and they're very easy to find online. All you need to look up is the name of your game followed with APK. And if you don't want to look this up, I will have a link down below to the best installer I've found. But I'll also be looking it up here, so all you need to do is just type in Flappy Bird and then just type in APK after it. Then scroll down and go to the Flappy Bird 1.3 APK, sourced by apkmirror.com. And on this website here, just scroll down a bit and then go to Download APK. And then it should say your download is starting. And if it hasn't started already, you can just click here to download the file. And once you click on here, or if it's already started automatically, you'll see a pop-up like this saying the file can harm your device, which this file is 100% safe. I've been using it for a long time now. And it's just fine to go ahead and download, so just click on OK to download anyways. And after some time, you should see a check mark, and then this APK file here has been downloaded, so just click on Open to open it up. And all you need to do now is click on Install, and it should say app installed. So now we can go ahead and open up Flappy Bird. And now we can play the game. And this right here is the full-fledged version. This is not a remake of it or a remaster. And there are also no ads anymore because this game is no longer supported, so that's another nice thing. So yeah guys, it's really that simple to download literally any Android app from the internet. Just look up the name of the app and then APK after it. And like I said before, this will be linked down below. And if you had any trouble or any problems at all, just leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.